Let's understand why whole exome sequencing is sometimes better than whole genome sequencing. The prime reason is its focus on most relevant region. Whole exome sequencing capture only coding region, that is around 1 to 2% of the genome, where 85% of known disease causing variant occur. This make it more clinically actionable when the goal is diagnosis. It also provide higher depth of coverage. With the same sequencing budget, whole exome sequencing allow much deeper coverage of exons. It also provide deeper coverage to improve the variant detection accuracy for small insertion, deletion, and or heterozygous mutation. In terms of cost also, it is cost effective. Whole exome sequencing is 3 or 4 times cheaper than whole genome sequencing. For routine clinical testing, this cost difference make whole exome sequencing more accessible and scalable. In terms of data analysis and interpretation, whole exome sequencing generate far less data, around 5 to 15 GB per sample compared to the whole genome sequencing, which produces around 90 to 150 GB per sample. Thus, this reduces storage needs, computational load, and variant interpretation complexity. In terms of clinical turnaround, it is also fast, as smaller data size is equal to focused variant analysis, which is equal to ultimately faster reporting in clinical settings. This is also critical for neonatal ICU, rare disease diagnosis, and oncology. And lastly, it is established in clinical pipeline. Whole exome sequencing has more validated panel, established workflow, and regulatory acceptance in diagnostic compared to the whole genome sequencing. Many labs and clinicians are already trained in exome interpretations. In terms of limitations, whole exome sequencing misses non-coding variants like promoter, enhancer, or deep introns. It is less effective for detecting structural variant, copy number variation, and repeat expansion. And in terms of capture efficiency, can also vary, thus incomplete coverage of some exons. Whole exome sequencing is better than whole genome sequencing when you want a cheaper, faster, high depth, and clinically focused test, especially for diagnostics, Mendelian disorder, and known disease genes. I hope you have liked the session. Don't forget to like and subscribe the channel, and do share these information among your scientific endeavor. Thank you.